Today, we are not studying grammar.
We are not doing exercises.
Today, you are at Heathrow Airport in London,
Your bag is in your hand. Your heart is beating fast.
and you do not know what to do next.
So let's learn together, step by step.
This is English with Farida. I am Farida.
And I am Farid. Let's go.
Heathrow Airport is one of the biggest airports in the world.
Yes, it is very big, and it can feel scary at first.
But do not worry. We will walk with you, step by step.
Today, you will learn what to do when your plane lands in London.
You will learn new English words too.
And we have a story for you today.
But first, let's start at the beginning.
You are on the plane. It lands. The doors open.
What do you do first? The first thing you do is follow the signs.
In Heathrow, the signs are clear. They have pictures too.
Look for the sign that says Arrivals.
Arrivals. It means your plane has landed. You have arrived.
Follow the Arrivals sign. Walk with the other passengers.
Passengers. That means the people on the plane with you.
Then you will see another sign. It says Border Control.
Border control. This is where officers check your passport.
Your passport is the most important thing. Keep it in your hand.
There are 2 lines at border control.
One line is for UK and EU citizens.
The other line is for all other passports. When it is your turn, walk to the officer. Look calm. Say hello.
The officer will ask you some questions. Let's practice together.
The officer might say, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
Purpose. It means why you are here. What is your reason?
You can say, "I am here for tourism."
Or you can say, I am here to visit a friend.
Short answers are best, clear and simple.
The officer might also ask, how long will you stay?
You can say, "I will stay for 1 week."
Or, I will stay for 10 days.
Easy, short, confident.
One more question. The officer might ask, do you have a return ticket?
Return ticket. That is your ticket to go home.
Say, yes, I have a return ticket.
That is all. The officer stamps your passport.
And says, welcome to the United Kingdom.
And you smile because you did it.
After passport control, you walk to baggage claim.
Baggage claim. This is where you find your suitcase.
Baggage means your bags. Claim means to take what is yours.
Look at the big screens on the wall.
Find your flight number. It is on your boarding pass.
The screen shows you which belt your bags are on.
Belt like a big moving circle. Your bags come out on it. Wait and watch.
Take your bag when you see it.
But what if your bag does not come?
Do not panic. Go to the lost luggage desk.
Say to the officer, my bag did not arrive. Can you help me, please?
They will help you. That is their job.
Can I share a story with you?
Of course. I always love your stories.
Let's call her Layla. Layla is 26 years old. She's from Baku.
And she is going to London for the very first time.
On the plane, Layla is nervous. Her hands are cold. Her heart is beating fast.
She's thinking, what if I say something wrong?
But on the plane, she practiced. She said the sentences quietly to herself.
I am here for tourism. I will stay for 10 days. I have a return ticket.
At border control, the officer looks at her and asks, what is the purpose of your visit?
Layla takes a small breath and she says, I am here for tourism. I will stay for 10 days.
The officer smiles and says, enjoy your stay in London.
And Layla smiles back. Just like that, she did it.
You know what? You can be like Layla.
You're practicing right now by listening to us.
Okay, you have your bag. You passed immigration. Now what?
Now you need to get to the city.
There are 3 ways to get from Heathrow to central London.
Number 1, the tube.
The tube is the London Underground. It is the subway.
It is the cheapest option. A ticket costs about £6.
It takes about 50 minutes to reach central London.
Look for the sign with a circle and a line through it. That is the tube symbol.
Number 2, the Heathrow Express.
This is a fast train. It takes only 15 minutes to Paddington Station.
But it is more expensive, about 25 to 35 pounds.
Number 3. The bus.
The bus is the slowest, but it is the cheapest.
And from the window, you can see the streets of London for the first time.
So which one should you choose?
If you have a lot of bags and you are tired, take the Heathrow Express.
If you want to save money, take the tube.
If you have time and you want to enjoy the view, take the bus.
One important thing. In London, you need an Oyster card.
Oyster card. It is a transport card. You put money on it.
You can buy it at the airport. Look for the Transport for London desk.
Or you can simply use your bank card.
Tap your card on the yellow reader. The door opens, you go in.
Tap, like a quick touch. Easy.
Let's remember today's important words.
Arrivals. You follow this sign when your plane lands.
Border control, where the officer checks your passport.
Purpose of visit. Why you are coming to this country.
Baggage claim, where you collect your suitcase.
Lost luggage, when your bag does not arrive.
The tube, the London Underground, subway.
Oyster card, a transport card for the tube and bus.
Tap, to touch your card quickly on the reader. Today, you walked through Heathrow Airport with us.
You learned what to say at border control.
You learned how to find your bag.
And you learned 3 ways to get to London.
Next time, we will talk about the London Tube, how to use it easily and without stress.
So subscribe and come back.
And today, your homework is very simple.
Practice this sentence out loud right now.
I am here for tourism. I will stay for 5 days.
Say it 5 times. You can do this.
Keep going.
We believe in you.
See you next time. Goodbye.